to our video. Hi guys, well, this is our first video. It is a mukbang, seafood mukbang, and we got these crabs from Kroger. I need to take this Band-Aid off. And they're already heated, and we're getting potatoes. And we have shrimp. Yep. So we're gonna use the Kroger bags to put like our shells in. Yeah. And my name is Janaya. And my name is Umaya. And this is called LJ Squad. All that just almost came flying out. I need to be in there. So guys, we'll be right back. So what we have here is 4 clusters of snow crab and some shrimp and butter. Yeah, so let's do it. We already put it off camera. So
Maybe the crab will be open.
What she say, John? Janai? Damn, one group.
That's just some crab meat.
and for Maya.
What we said to Mike, it's stink, right?
Yeah.
I didn't say it's stink.
Yes, you have.
Alright,
They good though. They nice to have shrimp.
These shrimp are good.
We went to Kroger, y'all.
figure.
Like, this is my first time going in. You been in the new?
Oh, supper one?
Yeah.
No.
I've been to one like grandma's house.
Start some crab. It's very quiet. Yes. So these shrimp are really good.
Shrimp are good.
You let me get a piece? You try that. You try that.
You gotta get my
Tell
phone.
me.
Put it up.
Yeah. Get my phone back.
Okay.
Over
So
there.
it's time for our reviews on
Right
it.
here.
I like this
Oh.
a lot. I like the shrimp.
I was shaking trying to over here.
These shrimp are good.
They
Look
are.
at this pouch. I heard it somewhere.
These what the shrimp look like. By the way,
These are. Hold on.
it tastes
Let me get
very
it. Might be down here,
fresh.
Bob.
That's what it tastes like. Very fresh.
This is one of the big ones of crab.
I got 2. You do 2. Wait a minute, I got 3. Oh, the big one. You do 2. You got that one, and that one.
4.
You have 4.
Well, Maya, let me have some crab.
We only have a
That's-
little
There
bunch.
one phone at.
Right there?
Okay.
This should be expensive.
Which one?
You can get some out the cluster. Well, this part.
Okay. How much cut it?
This like really good.
This is very like pokey. It's like a king crab and a snow
big
crab
piece.
mixed together.
These are snow crab with
Hot. Watch this out.
hers are lightly seasoned. Mine is regular seasoned.
So they had to come in different bags. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe.
Ariana, like, she was wrong today. Walking her, like, she was getting, like, she was on her own.
I'm sorry, y'all. We haven't been talking. Just this is so good.
There's meat inside of these.
Jared, why are you hovering over them? You are hovering over them. And
That's
you
my
got
sister.
money you can
And that's my
right
mom.
Kroger get your
That's my
own.
mom. That's my sister. We're cooking some potato.
Yeah, we're cooking some potatoes.
Jared was like,
Sometimes when I eat crabs, like over here in my tongue, and it would start burning.
Go on, this ought to be upset.
Already some
Ray
of my
Sean,
shrimp.
see
I
if
got
he can
butter
do,
and a
see
little
if
bit
he can do
seasoning
the
on my shrimp.
Netflix thing.
Guys, we're so sorry we're
Put
not
the email
talking.
back up.
Yeah.
It's just really nothing to talk about.
Cause
What?
it's a so,
It's no, it's not
but
the it's
I'm not talking cause it tastes so good.
But it took a long time to
Oh,
get these crabs.
And it's Sunday right
Don't
now.
Raven watch it too?
Yep, she on 15. 15
Man,
is on
we
5.
got this with
15
our
on
own money.
So
From a car.
we got cards Sunday, last Sunday. Wow. Oh.
They're the meat is
Very soft in mine.
I'm loving these shrimp.
I still got shrimp.
Because you haven't been eating them like that.
I know. After this Friday, I might do some shrimp.
No, we getting somewhere. Have you been watching 15? Huh? Have you been watching 15?
Why is it right here?
Ooh.
Me and her are
Is it
cousins.
No, 15
Hey,
is
you guys-
this year.
If you guys
Oh,
think
I
like
started
we're
watching.
friends
I
or
haven't
something,
watched
no,
like
we're
the last
cousins.
2 weeks though. Did you record it?
No.
What are you doing? Oh,
So, Leo,
I don't
Jared,
want
I'm sitting you all her stuff.
I'm not.
You paid $30-something for that stuff during the night. Well, your gift card that from last week. That's what they used. Was her. You hear me?
I heard you, Mom.
I know you do.
I only want a little bit of crab meat. Y'all know I don't eat seafood.
You eating it.
Crab would taste
And
good.
you should sit there and hover it over them.
Y'all know I don't have a taste for it. I ain't with it.
ew. Can you go get me like some scissors jar of this?
Hey.
Can you give me some scissors jar of this?
I'm almost done for myself.
I'm getting on this right here.
Huh.
Take it.
Yeah.
Please don't touch the TV. I'll be back.
Come here. Put it up here.
Got some scissors.
I got some hot.
There's not even that much meat.
You ain't never take.
It's down here.
Got some scissors cut for these
Yeah, I
big
need
things.
some scissors. Thank you.
Cause these hard though.
Jara. Is it not in the big bag? You put it in the big bag? No.
Gotta wait to use those ones because you're using it on this big crab. But
Cause these are hard to open.
yeah, and they got the most meat.
Yeah. This is so good. So where we got these from are Kroger. And they're seafood.
And it's not sponsored by us.
Yeah, so we'll just tell you guys where we got it from.
Yeah. And it was $30.
Something dollar. But
$30.
then, but on the bag it said like
$19.98.
Yeah. So we were all confused.
You had to use your Kroger card.
Yeah, we had to use the Kroger.
Wait a minute, I'm getting somewhere. Ow. I hurt my finger.
Guys, after this video,
Is that my phone?
No.
we are going to do such a mess. Like, look on my fingers.
Who got these? What y'all doing with these?
Cut. We couldn't open these.
Oh, with my sisters. Y'all make sure y'all wash them.
Okay. That's my mom. I'm about to say that's out. Huh?
You what?
I said that's
You know
my
I have
mom.
to call for one round. First on my table.
Hey, Raven.
Oh, that wasn't my mind's making. That was yours.
I said, hey.
That's my sister, which is her cousin. Got a lot of people at our house today. Well, at my house today. You'll see a lot of them at church, outside the church, my house, or her house. Of course. But
I think I need my drink.
She got that crushed peach. I got some water. Comment down below if you go to a dance studio. And if you don't, comment down below if you want to. And if you don't want to, she'll tell you what to comment down below.
Guys, we are giving out shout outs.
I'm giving a shout out to Jazz and Tay. They made me want to do this video, and Be Lovely.
Yes, if you guys watch Be Lucky, comment down below and we will give you a shout out.
Yeah. We gotta share this butter. I'm telling them we gotta share the butter. This video is 11 minutes already. Yeah.
Looks good.
And for you all
Carol, what's
who
that? No, what is the thing? Netflix, or what is that?
There's no
Oh.
meat.
and for all y'all who forgot her name, my
Look at
name
you
is
guys.
Janaya and her name is Mamaya.
No meat in this brown. No meat in this one.
She's older, I'm younger, I'm just telling.
Oh, we're 10.
I'm 9.
I mean, well, I'm 10.
She's turning 11 in April. And I'm turning 10 next year. I got a long way to go because I'm born in the summer. She's born during the school year. We're using tinfoil, so if you guys think we're just eating off of this table, we're not. For the guys who don't watch mukbang, like, Maya, this is, you want some, this meat?
We need a thumbnail.
Oh yeah, ready?
Get the big one. And then get a piece of shrimp. Wait, no, I didn't cook it. Okay, there we go.
Ready?
Ready, set, go. Oh wait, we need to cook.
Huh?
Cook it, but
Oh yeah, our hands are dirty.
oh yeah. Let's do this. Save a cluster and save a shrimp.
Yeah, for the end.
Yeah. Keep it somewhere.
I'm about to eat a shrimp real quick, y'all. I haven't been eating.
The shrimps are good. We're running out of butter.
It's okay. I'm a singer, by the way, y'all. We are making a music video.
Guys, we are making a music video.
Y'all didn't see that.
That
I was about to bite
that
the
was-
lid.
A big
Oh,
one.
look at that. A whole shrimp.
Y'all, this is a big piece of meat. It's very thick.
These crabs are very thick. Shrimps are very thick. I had some jumbo shrimp and they were like this big. But that was a bad day that eat some seafood because I had stomach ache and I was on the toilet. Every time I eat seafood, I use my tongue. That I could be like eating the shrimp. I'd be like, I forgot I had this, y'all. Ooh, if y'all watch Curly Head, Monty, and Queen Kamara, they did a new seafood video.
Go check that out.
It was very interesting.
Whoa.
Interesting.
Like like very.
Like Queen Kamara, she put a bib on. My TV stuff. This video ain't about them.
Look how.
But go subscribe to them. Y'all better watch the Taylor Girls. Okay. Go watch Jazz and Tay. Seafood Mukbang. Go watch Taylor Girls. Seafood Mukbang.
A lot of people are doing seafood.
Woo. Go watch, like, we're doing.
Oh, that was big.
That's some white meat. That's that white meat.
Ooh, I was gonna get that.
This the white meat. This camera keep glitching, but y'all on the front it might like look a little white, but it's very pink, and then on the back is just white.
Orange. Wait, on the back is orange right there.
Watch
Oh
it.
yeah, we're
My
running out of
God.
butter.
Look in the camera and watch this. Every time I eat this food, I do this. I use my tongue. No, I use my tongue though.
Raven, how do you update?
That's why I was saying no. Do not use your tongue. You do like this.
That would be lovely too.
Yeah. Guys, we're running low on crabs. We're running low.
You are. I still have 3 clusters.
Yeah, because I've been eating them.
I've been talking. Alright. Go around with it. Give me scissors. This part of the crab and like the big part, it's so hard to open. Comment down below if y'all can just crack it with your hands. Cause I can't. I can just. I gotta use some scissors.
I don't like big ones.
This is hard to open.
Guys.
I'm gonna eat this at the end because this is very hard to open.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Dude, that would be a cute thumbnail.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Ready?
Ready, set.
Wait, hold on. Ready, set, go. Oh, yeah. Hold on, ready, set, go. Alright, it's talking. Guys, look. 17 minutes.
I don't care, y'all. This is so good, and I'm gonna keep recording. We're running very low on butter. Right.
Like, look at this. Y'all can even see it from here. That's how it looks.
Raven, you want some meat?
I do.
I was talking
Go get
about
the door,
from
Raven.
this. I was talking about from this. Like,
From what?
this part of it.
I don't want to touch it. Thank you.
How many clusters you have?
I don't know. Hey, John. Hey, go. I don't know how many times I have. I got 3 because you've been eating a lot.
Yeah. In the beginning, I was eating.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
This is so good.
Ooh, try showing. Another one.
Potato.
Oh, I like that dress. Was it a dress?
It's very warm
Like a lounge
today.
dress? Yeah, I like
Like
that.
usually it's very
I mean, it's,
cold.
I ain't mean like lounge, but comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah, I like that.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna stop eating so I can save room for the potato.
But I'm gonna keep eating because I barely have anything.
I barely have. I only have one more cluster left. And
You
these
got
big-
these
and
and
these
that.
big
No, you have
crabs.
2. 1, 2.
And then I have those big crabs left.
Yeah. So Maya, talk to them because I'm eating. They're so good.
Okay, so we comment down below, guys. What should we do next? What should we get next for our next mukbang?
Or a video or something.
Yeah, guys, we might be doing a challenge. But
Bless you. Yo, we doing a music video though. It's cool about
Stay tuned for that.
It's all about my future. Want this part?
Nah. It's salty.
It is. It's very sour and salty. Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm hurting my teeth. Yo, I haven't ate crab legs without butter in a while.
Yeah.
Cause I used to not like crabs with butter.
I just want to save room for this potato because I'm ready for it.
They're done cooking.
Because I don't know. I think it is. What's wrong?
I pulled this part off and juice just went on my face.
Oh.
I heard like the back of my mouth. Alright, I'm gonna stop and wait for this potato.
Yeah. I need that.
I'm not gonna stop because then
I'm only.
this girl is eating up. Like,
Oh, I still have these.
Hurricane Lamaya is coming.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had these clusters right here. These big parts. Well,
Guys, right after I get my potato, I'm gonna start back eating. I'm just, ready for the potato.
Who had the long one? Who had the fat one?
I
had
the
the fat
long
one.
I had the long one.
You want to write that with?
Yeah.
Because you know we don't eat a whole lot of.
potato. So we got some.
Y'all want some pepper in it, salt?
I want some salt.
No.
Mike, which was one? Pork?
Yes. So our potatoes have arrived.
You don't want no salt?
No.
That is my mom, by the way.
Yep. And shout out to her because she brought us this.
Well, we paid for it, but she let us get it.
Get it, yeah.
It's very hot. It's very warm if you put your hand above it.
I want to know that. All the way to I put 2 in there. 22.
You put one in my shirt? I didn't know.
First bite of
Separate for good,
potato.
they're going to get back. Yeah. Oh, we know Bailey and Big gonna go there and rat it
I
out.
think we need some more butter.
What?
Oh, my whole potato
I'm about to drink
just
some
flew
water
off.
though because I've been eating a lot, so I need to drink.
It's hot. It's actually really good. It just needs butter.
We are cousins, we are not sisters. I'm about to eat my potato. I'm gonna just keep it. You want to be in the video? My sister is staring over here. This so hot. So we got all this food from Kroger. We got the potato. Oh, it burns. So y'all better go to Kroger and get yourself. And if you don't live near a Kroger, just go to like Juicy Crab or something. Captain George's. I went to Captain George's for my birthday.
Ooh.
Ain't it hot?
Butter on chip. Mm-hmm. It just needs butter because it's plain.
Mine tastes good.
I'm
You gotta blow it a
I'm
lot.
just gonna dip it in.
It's like burning the fork.
Okay. Alright, let's hand it this.
This is our first video and it's my first mukbang. Now we got a lot.
This
When
is
I mean a lot. Cause it's 8, right? Cause I got 4, she got 4, but I ate one of my shrimps off camera and stuff. So
guys,
I think I did.
Guys, we will be posting every Sunday. Just
Or-
for you to know.
Yeah, post every Sunday.
No, I thought you know.
I will come in
And during the summer.
during the summer, yeah.
Almost every day during summer. But every Sunday during the school year.
We will be
And,
posting.
and we will also be posting on Christmas.
Yeah. Guys, and plus, we are going to be making an intro.
Yeah. We'll be
So-
posting, like when it's holidays, we'll post every holiday. When it's we'll be doing our intro video. Oh, go subscribe to the Ace family. By the way.
Yeah, guys.
Half the whole world is subscribed to the Ace family.
Yes.
No, you can kill yourself in the
This is really good with just dip it in like this and then just
We
swirl
probably
it around.
only got 1 or 2 subscribers.
For sure, really grateful for whoever subscribed to us.
At least get this video to 100 likes.
No, we have to go.
Oh yeah.
So get this video to 10 likes.
At least 30.
At least 20.
Yeah. At least.
20 likes and we will be doing the 7-second challenge.
Yeah. And if you get that video over 40,
Over 20 likes. We have to start slow first because it's our first video.
thank you, Mom. Maya is tearing this butter up with her potato.
Yep. Certainly.
Nobody told her to tear it up with the potato. I'm about to dip some of this in here because
It's
it
good.
needs to cool down a little bit. Ooh, make sure you guys go watch Danny and Dana's seafood mukbang. If y'all don't watch Danny and Dana, go watch them. They're very crazy. Who do you like more? I like Dana better because she's so funny. But they're very pretty. They have very nice hair. I don't know what they mix with. Comment down below if you know what they mix.
And guys, for our very first video, we want to give shout outs and duets and stuff like that.
I
So,
want to give a shout out
get
to Be
this-
Lovelies,
Get
Jazz and Tay, and Danny and Dana.
yeah. If you everything about all the channels inspiration and all that stuff will be down in the description. And yeah. And to get this, if we get 10 subscribers by
Thursday,
by Friday,
we will
we
give you guys a shout out.
we will post Saturdays and Sundays if we get subscribed. If we get subscribed.
It's cold. No, it's not cold, but it's hot.
Since we just got hot butter, it makes it even hotter.
I got salt in mine, but it's kind of cooling it down. So we really didn't have to do like a long process for these potatoes because
This video is almost 30 minutes. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and end it here.
no,
Why?
because
What?
it's a very good video. So now I'm gonna get back to my seafood.
I'm in love with this potato.
It's a good.
I'm gonna get back to that later.
So we didn't have to do a very long process for these potatoes. So what we did so we already got some pre-fresh, clean potatoes. We didn't have to wash them or nothing.
They were already pre-washed before at Kroger. That's the fun thing about Kroger.
This part is very sour and cold.
I
like
love potatoes.
You need to put some in your potato. It'll make it easy for you. Okay?
Okay.
Well,
See, some, put some in there. And you just mix it up.
when I tried to do this, I did this. Some of y'all gonna probably notice that in the video. That was an accident, y'all. If y'all think it was on purpose.
Janaya, this video is over 30 minutes.
I don't
this
care.
is 30 minutes.
I don't care. I'm gonna give the people what they want.
Who's gonna watch a 30-minute long video?
I am. Yo, oh, by the way, like during, like, oh no. Like during the middle of our YouTube channel, we will be getting upgrades, a lot of upgrades. Like we'll start using my tablet and we'll start using a camera. We'll use
I can bring my camera on. Yeah, we can do that.
we will get a light that can be good lighting.
Yeah. Bye.
We might be doing some shows, but bye guys. See you later.
Wait.
Ready?
Wait, comment down below. Comment down below if you guys love this seafood mukbang. Also,
That was a potato. That was part of your potato. They just got part of potato.
don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to share this video all over social media. And as always, peace.
Peace.
Oh wait, we should do a thing like we'll be back with more videos. Peace.
We'll be back with more
More
videos.
Peace.